Welcome to Tech Manual, and if you are new here, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and always share our videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to change capital letters to lowercase, or into how you can be able to capitalize each word in Microsoft Excel. So the first thing we are going to do, we're going to type in some words. Let's type Tech Manual. Then after typing, you can autofill, let's say around 20 rows. That. So we have Tech Manual typed. Now we are going to use different formulas so that we can be able to switch in between the lowercase, the uppercase, and we can also be able to capitalize each word. So for example, our text is already in uppercase. So how are we going to use, I'm going to display to you how you can be able to use a formula to change this uppercase into lowercase. So what you're going to do is make sure you've selected a cell just after the text that you want to change. For example, this is Tech Manual in uppercase. We're going to change this to a lowercase. So we click in cell B1. Here we are going to type a formula. So our formula will always start with an equal sign. After writing an equal sign, you write the word lower. You'll be able to see it's being highlighted down here as the formula. So you can choose it, or you can just write lower. Then you open the brackets. After opening the brackets, you will click on the cell that you want to convert it to lowercase, which is in this case it's cell L1. So you click L1, then you close the brackets. After doing so, you will press enter or return according to the type of keyboard you're using. It will be able to convert directly the uppercase Tech Manual to the lowercase Tech Manual, and in this case you're able to see that each word is in small letters, be it the starting of a word or in the middle. So the Tech starting with a small letter, then Manual is also starting with small letter M. So that is one. Then two, we can be able now to switch back this Tech Manual, which is in lowercase. We can switch it back to uppercase. So what you need to do is you click on the cell just after the word, the cell that you want to convert to uppercase. Make sure you've typed, you start your formula with an equal sign. Then here we are going to use the word proper. You write the word proper. After writing proper, you open the bracket, select the cell that you want to convert to uppercase, select B1, then you close the bracket, then you click or you hit enter. Here you are able to see that after using the word proper, our word has been able to now select each word, or it has been able to capitalize each word, where we have text starting with capital letter T and Manual starting with capital letter M. So we've been able to learn so far two formulas. One, it's how you can be able to switch uppercase letters or uppercase text to lowercase text using a formula which is lower. Then you at the bracket you include the cell that you want to switch. Then number 2, we've also learned how you can be able to capitalize each word using a formula with the keyword proper. Proper here is the keyword for you to be able to capitalize each word automatically in Excel. So the next thing we are going to learn is now how can someone be able to convert this text that is either in lowercase or in capitalizing each word to back to the uppercase that we started with. So the procedure is almost the same. We start by typing the equal sign because we're going to use a formula. So equal sign, then you're going to write the word upper. You're going to write the word upper, capital letters. Then you open the bracket. You select the cell that is in lowercase or in capitalizing each word case. Then you close the bracket. Then you enter. It will be able to convert automatically the lowercase text to uppercase. Then you can always see here, if you want to change from uppercase to lowercase, you use the word or the keyword lower. That is the formula. In the bracket, make sure you've included the cell that you want to convert. Then if you want to capitalize each word, you will use the word or the keyword proper with the cell you want to convert in the bracket. Then if you want to change the text from lowercase to uppercase, you'll use the word upper. Then in the bracket you select the cell that you want to convert. After that, you can drag it all down so that it can autofill. Others can see, do the same to the 3 formulas. So then you can make sure that it fits in each cell. So this is how and simply how you can be able to apply formulas for you to be able to switch between cases or different cases in Microsoft Excel. As you can see, it's a bit different as compared to Word, where in Word you can usually access all these features while in Home tab. But in Excel, it's a bit ambiguous because you need to use formulas, or you need to type in manually. So to avoid the case of typing everything either in capital or in small, you can usually, or you can always use the formula that I've just talked about.